Just going to do a little public service announcement on Hive tools. This is a store-bought Hive tool. I love this Hive tool because of that. You could go down into the comb if you're trying to kill a hive beetle and come back out without damaging the comb. My second favorite Hive tool, which now is my first favorite Hive tool, is one by a friend of mine, beekeeper, blacksmith, Chris Kinser. I'll put all the information down in the description section if you'd like to contact him and try to order one. I don't have a clue what he charges for them now. He's got 3 or 4 different designs. But when prying on a box like mine, that the bees genetics I run, they love to propolize things. That is the first time I have ever snapped a Hive tool. I mean, snapped it off clean. Of course, as you can tell, you can see the weakness right there, because most of them are on this end. Let me back up and get one. Most of your store-bought ones have the nail puller ability to hang it on the wall back there, and it's not up here on the prying end, because I always teach people when prying on a hive, say this is the end where the bars rest, you pry this way, not that way. But I wasn't thinking. I was prying the way I should, and it just snapped. So like I said, you might want to look into getting one of these Hive tools from Chris. I've had this one for about 5 years. Love it. Painted it orange because I keep losing it when it was black. Need to put another coat of orange on it. Thanks for watching. Give Chris a yell if you want one. Like, share, and subscribe.